Hello, and welcome to my comprehensive look at ETrade. This US-based brokerage firm has been around since the early 90s, making a name for itself with a series of popular commercials during the day trading boom. Back then, day trading was accessible to the average person. But changes like the pattern day trading rule and the minimum account balance of $25,000 in the US have significantly altered the landscape. Despite these changes, ETrade remains a significant player in the retail market. ETrade in the modern market. ETrade continues to be a viable option for many traders. ETrade offers zero commissions on stocks, options, and ETFs. Options contracts come with a fee of 65 cents or 50 cents if you make more than 30 trades per quarter. ETrade complies with SEC and CFTC regulations. Account basics and bonuses. To open an account with ETrade, there's no minimum deposit required, though you must fund your account within 30 days, or it will be closed. New users can receive a bonus if they deposit more than $5,000. Power ETrade Platform. The Power ETrade Platform is one of the highlights of ETrade's offerings. It's designed for serious traders who need comprehensive tools at their disposal. With over 100 technical studies and 30 drawing tools, Power ETrade provides in-depth charting capabilities. Its risk analysis tools for options trading are particularly useful, helping traders manage and understand their potential risks and rewards. This platform is robust enough to support both experienced traders and those looking to advance their trading strategies. ETrade Web and Mobile Platforms. The original ETrade Web platform remains a popular choice. It's a straightforward, no-frills platform that has stood the test of time. Its reliability makes it a favorite for many long-term users. ETrade also offers mobile apps, ensuring that traders can manage their accounts and execute trades on the go. These mobile platforms are user-friendly and provide most of the functionality found on the desktop versions, making them a versatile tool for busy traders. Educational and research tools. ETrade's educational resources cater to both novice and advanced traders. The platform offers basic guidance for new investors, helping them set financial goals and recommending portfolio allocations based on their risk tolerance. For advanced traders, ETrade provides detailed research reports and monthly sector analysis. While it might not be the largest educational resource available, the quality and depth of the content are impressive, offering valuable insights for all levels of traders. Regulatory compliance and trust. Regulation is a crucial aspect of any brokerage, and ETrade excels in this area. This regulatory framework, combined with ETrade's long-standing reputation, makes it a trusted choice for thousands of traders. Customer support and community. ETrade is known for its strong customer support, which is available 24/7 to assist with any issues or questions. The company also fosters a community of traders, offering forums and discussion groups where users can share tips, strategies, and experiences. This sense of community can be particularly beneficial for new traders seeking advice and mentorship from more experienced investors. Security features. In today's digital age, security is paramount. ETrade takes this seriously, offering robust security features to protect your account. These include two-factor authentication, encryption protocols, and fraud protection measures. Knowing that your investments are secure allows you to trade with confidence. That wraps up our detailed review of ETrade. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.